Hey guys, Justin here, J Hart Model Works. Day one of the foundation pair is we're done. I figured I'd just kind of shoot a quick video and kind of show you guys what's going on. Might as well take you with me. This won't be one of those fancy edited videos. There's no intro or anything like that. I don't have really access to my computer to do any kind of editing. Let's go ahead and switch this camera around and kind of show you where we're at. That is my driveway. They've not started this side of the house yet. They've got a hole down there. Some more holes. That's kind of what we're looking at. Kind of goes all the way around the house. On into the backyard. It took a chunk out of my tiny ass little porch. It was already small enough. And there's two more back there. Now they're really cool. They did come in, they covered like everything up. My computer area, my kitchen, more holes. They've started on the kitchen area. That's where they started jackhammering the kitchen. Hey Blue Ox, this is my work area for my modeling area. There you go. Jason. Thought you'd get a kick out of that. Dining room. There will eventually be holes in here and some holes in here, but they haven't done the section with the wood flooring yet. They're going to put in, I think they said about 5 or 6 holes in here too. So anyhow, guys, that's day one. 2 more days to go.